Hi, Dulce. So, it's your grand wedding day. Um, I want to congratulate both of you. Welcome sa panibagong phase ng buhay mo. Congrats kay Eckhard and best wishes sa'yo, Dulce. I know kung nasan man ang tatay mo ngayon, he is very happy to see you ngayong special occasion na ito. And ano bang masasabi ko? Well, it's not gonna be easy. Hindi magiging ganun kadali ang buhay may asawa. There would be a lot of challenges, a lot of difficulties, pero just always keep your faith in God and ask for His guidance, ask for His help, and I'm pretty sure malalagpasan niya yan. Nandito lang ang family mo para sa'yo, nandito lang kami, and of course, nandyan si Inang Ellen, nandyan ang mama mo para magbigay ng advice. Pero ang bottom line nun, kayong dalawa pa ring mag-asawa ang makakabuo ng magandang pagsasama. So again, congratulations and best wishes.